that you can program your mind and design your life exactly the way you wanted it to be? This will be your path to find ultimate solution to create your dream life. Life is so beautiful. And to experience its beauty, register now to the Born Leader program.
Let's go. You don't need no luck with that golden touch. Time to light it up. Let's go. Get ready for it. Get ready for it. Get ready for it. Yeah, this is it. Go!
Stop searching outside. Everything is within you. Let's go a little deep and dig into the nature of our existence. Have you ever thought about who we are, where we are from, what is that we are doing in this planet, and where are we heading towards? These are very important and essential questions that one should ask to their own self. Give yourself a chance to discover who you really are, and don't search outside for something profound. It is and it will be within you. Usually people spend their lifetime searching for happiness and for looking for peace outside. They chase idle dreams, addictions, religions, follow other people, hoping to fill the emptiness that plugs them. But the irony is that the only place they ever needed to search was within. Everything is within you, so stop searching outside and turn towards and look inward. Turn towards you and look inward. But unfortunately, most of our goal settings are from outside. Either we acquired it from the society, the media, or through the influence of other people around us. If you are in search of greatest treasure, don't look outside. You need to look within and seek that. Growth, progress, and success are impossible without change. And those who cannot change their minds cannot change anything. Most of us give importance only to our physical appearance. But what about our thoughts, beliefs, and values? Because we are the combination of our body, mind, and emotion. The way you align and tune all the three things determines how well you play life. You have the same power as high achievers, undoubtedly. Let's stop leading a mechanical life and make life more meaningful and purposeful. We are the most comfortable generation that the universe hasn't seen before. We take the advantage of using inventions, technology, communication system, and all kinds of innovations and new developments. Remember, there is so much of hardships behind each and every invention. We use them so comfortably, and in turn, what is our contribution to the world? Ask your inner self and create a goal, a very clear goal. Combine your passion, talent, experience, and derive a goal for you to achieve. Ensure that your goal matches the needs of the people and move forward with 100% confidence, even if the destination is not clear. One of the most important secret that many of you are not aware of is that your mind is programmable. And if you are not taking up the ownership of your life and programming your mind, someone else will corrupt it and make a mess. When you understand how your mind works and how to program it, you can experience miracles happening around you. And you can manifest and design your life exactly the way you wanted it to be. However big your goal is, your mind will give you solutions and ideas that you need, exactly in the same order that you need. It will give you a very clear step-by-step procedure to approach the problem. It operates the best in the spirit of faith and acceptance. The more you believe that you can do it, the faster it shows you the path towards achieving your goal. The more you use it, the faster it shows you the direction towards reaching your goal. You will have flow of thoughts and it gives you infinite intelligence. You can activate it only through your everyday conscious positive actions, and that's the dimension of your infinite intelligence, source of creativity, and your higher self. So, where to start and how to go about? Make conscious choices in your everyday life with mindfulness and awareness. Do not blindly follow others. Our mind works at 3 levels: conscious, subconscious, and superconscious. The conscious part is the active analytical portion of our mind. Our active awareness, our intellect, and our identity are designed from here. The subconscious part is the home of instinct and the storehouse of all our experiences and exposures as memories. Finally, the superconscious is the greater awareness, and it is the source of creativity and infinite intelligences. Your thoughts and actions are so powerful, and that will empower you to become the creator. Yes, you are the creator of your life. But the problem is, we are not even accustomed to do righteous actions at the conscious level, because we blindly follow others without even thinking whether it is right or wrong for us. Most of the time, we blindly copy others as if we are tuned to that kind of system right from our childhood, because be it parents or school or society teaches us just to follow others and not to think for oneself. It is very important to study the habits of successful role models and develop that in your life instead of copying someone blindly. Listen to this carefully. Each one of us live in 2 places at the same time. It's called as our inner world and our outer world. Our beliefs, attitude, and emotions make our inner world. And the outside situation, people, and other circumstances is the outer world. Our outer world is just the reflection of our inner world. In order to change your circumstances, you must start changing your internal beliefs, attitudes, and emotions. But many times, we work the other way around and fail miserably. The mistake we do is that we react in our inner world for the happenings of the outer world, and as a result, you lose your power, ability, and strength and become more like a puppet reacting to people, circumstances, and situations. Staying positive from within is the first step to achieve your goals and to be successful.
Get ready for it. Get ready for it. Get ready for it.